Hello and welcome back everyone, it's your girl Cassandra Olivia, and in today's video I'm going to be just doing a quick unboxing only of Beyonce's new hair care line called Cecred. So I just want to show you guys the package that I got. I did go ahead and order the super fan bundle. It retails for $265 and you guys are going to get a little bit of ASMR in here too. So really quickly, inside the package you have a cosmetic bag, the ritual shaken vessel, the nourishing hair oil, moisture sealing lotion, fermented rice and rose protein ritual, the reconstructing treatment mask, a moisturizing deep conditioner, a hydrating shampoo, and a clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub. So my initial thoughts are I do like the packaging. I feel like it's very minimalistic, and you guys know I have like an abstract theme, so I thought it looked really cute in my suite and it goes with my personal aesthetic. Here I am just opening everything up. Again, this is just unboxing. I'm going to be coming back in a few days to do a full product line review. So I have a few models coming in because I wanted to try a couple different hair textures and types. So I'm just showing you guys the packaging, and most of the packaging are plastic. So I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of ASMR as I'm opening everything, and I'll be sure to link the link down below so you guys can do your own due diligence and look at the products. This is the fermented protein treatment, and you just mix these two together and you shake it up inside the vessel, and they do tell you how to use the products on their website, so be sure to check that out as well. Again, this is just a really quick unbox slash ASMR video, so enjoy and drop your comments and your thoughts down below. Are you going to support this hair care line? Do you feel like it's overhyped? I personally feel like it's overhyped because it's Beyonce, but I'm curious to see if the products are actually good or not, and you guys know I'm going to give you my super honest opinion as a licensed cosmetologist and hairstylist myself. So be on the lookout for part 2 and enjoy this video.